Guys, my name is Shashwat and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm going to talk about assault and battery in this video. Assault and battery are mentioned in the IPC and are a criminal offense. Let's start with assault first. It is an act which is done with the intention of causing an apprehension of imminent threat or harm in the mind of the other. Assault is the act of creating apprehension of bodily change or bodily harm mental harm to the other person. Assault is a civil as well as criminal wrong, resulting in civil or criminal liability respectively. And assault is just an attempt to threaten or to harm somebody. It is an international tort. For example, spitting on the face of someone else, which he would likely not like. Then, what are the essentials of assault? First, there must be an intention to cause an assault or cause an apprehension. Then secondly, creation of apprehension in the mind of other, bodily damage or harm. Then by the actions or words of a person who at present has the ability to do so far as a position to harm. Then fourth, the knowledge of threat, that he must have a knowledge that he is giving threat to someone else. Then comes the remedies of the assault. How can it be prevented, and what are the allegations that are forced against the person who caused assault? A civil case can be filed for the tort of assault for damages. Damages can be compensatory or be punitive in nature. Compensatory damages are those which aim to provide compensation to the victim from the person who has done. Nominal damages can also be awarded, which is a small sum in case where there is no substantial damage, but there is infringement of right. Punitive damages are awarded to punish the defendant for his wrongful behavior. Then under Indian Penal Code, section 351 defines assault. In case of criminal assault, punishments could be a fine or imprisonment to max to 1 to 2 years. Then now let's talk about battery. The battery is a civil as well as a criminal wrong. The battery is the use of physical force to harm others without lawful justification. Generally, we all think that assault is the criminal offense that causes the bodily harm, but no, battery is the right legal definition for the cause. Assault is just it's just the mentally harassing that other person. So the ultimate aim of the battery is to cause grievous hurt to the person. The battery is actually harming other people by being in physical contact to him. Then that is it. Then essentials of battery are use of force, must be voluntary, contact of the body of a person, it must be without the consent from the plaintiff, and contact may be direct or indirect. If someone fires a bullet, then there is no physical contact. So then comes the cause of action. The threat to shoot to somebody or pointing a pistol at somebody is assault, because there is no physical damage yet, and no grievous harm has been done to the other person. So pointing a gun at someone and not shooting is also a criminal offense, but assault. If he fires the bullet and it harms the person, then it's battery. Physical contact with the body of person is a must in battery. Then if a person slaps the other, the former will be liable for battery, but tapping a person or on shoulder merely to ask a question or to praise someone does not constitute a battery. Mere push and accidental touch is also not mentioned in battery. In a landmark case of Cole versus Turner, the Honorable Court laid down the following principles of a battery. That was, at first, as I mentioned, physical touch should be present. Then, if two or more meet in a narrow passage and without any violence or design of harm, the one touches other gently, it will not come under the battery category. And thirdly, if any of them use violence against the other to force his way in a rude, ordinate manner, it will be a battery. Then remedies in the law for battery are the battery can be dealt under section 350 of the Indian Penal Code. Defenses available in case of battery are the person may appeal for the self-defense and voluntary non-fit injuria, reasonable force and self-defense. That's it for now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.